Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a trustworthy DNS and getting your device ready. Connect to the Wi-Fi network you use for BGMI, then open your device Wi-Fi settings. Tap the network, change IP settings to static only if required, and replace the DNS fields with your chosen DNS IPs. Do this because DNS directs game traffic faster and can reduce lookup delays. Once done, save settings and restart the network connection, so changes take effect before launching the game. Now you configure DNS precisely, and I'll explain why each step matters. Open Advanced Wi-Fi settings, paste your primary DNS into DNS1 and a secondary into DNS2. This provides failover. If your device supports DNS over HTTPS or TLS, enable it to secure lookups and avoid ISP interception. After saving, force close BGMI and clear its cache if needed. This ensures the app uses the new resolver. Then relaunch the game and check connection indicators to verify improved name resolution and stability. Finish by verifying the changes and knowing what to do if something goes wrong. In BGMI, run the in-game network test and watch latency. Lower numbers mean the DNS helped. If you see higher ping or failed matches, switch back to your previous DNS to isolate the issue. Also, reboot your router and device, then try another reputable DNS provider. Differences in geographic routing can cause variability. If problems continue, clearing DNS cache on the device often resolves stale entries. This is the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.